In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Telegram channel link quickly and easily. This is a super useful trick if you want to share your channel with friends, post it on social media, or promote it anywhere online. If you've ever wondered where to find the actual invite link for your Telegram channel, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your phone or desktop and go to the channel you want to get the link for. Make sure you select the correct channel, especially if you manage more than one. Once the channel chat window opens, look at the top of the screen and click on the channel name. This will open the channel information page where you can view settings and details for that channel. Now, on the channel info page, tap or click More. Depending on your device, this may appear as 3 dots in the corner or as a menu option. From there, select Manage Channel. This section gives you access to the main settings for your Telegram channel, including permissions, administrators, and invite options. Next, look for the Invite Links option and click it. This is where Telegram stores the shareable links for your channel. Once you open this section, you'll see the channel invite link that people can use to join. You can copy this link and share it wherever you want. If you need to, you can also manage, revoke, or create new invite links from the same area. And that's it. You've now found your Telegram channel link. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. This is one of those small Telegram features that can save you a lot of time when you're trying to grow or share your channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.